तो हेलो यूट्यूब फैमिली, वेलकम टू माय साइलेंट यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आप सब कैसे आए, आप अच्छे होंगे और अच्छे होने भी चाहिए। तो आज का वीडियो में लाइटरूम और स्नैपसीड से कुछ इस प्रकार का फोटो का आप लोग को कुछ इस प्रकार से एडिट करके आप लोग को बताएंगे। तो मेरा चैनल नया है तो आप लोग सपोर्ट कीजिए, आप लोग का प्यार से आगे बढ़ सकते हो। बाकी आप समझदार हैं, वीडियो करते स्टार्ट।
Chase the leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. In the city, rushing through me, down on street, all you make me feel it. In the city, rushing through me, down on street, all you make me feel it. Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above to listen, I need you